We're the new neighbors.
No neighbors.
5 blocks, 6 blocks, 7 blocks. Ah! Why can't I stack these blocks?
Hi, Flag.
Hi, Manny.
You want to play?
I don't know. I can't get these blocks to stack and I'm frustrated.
I'm sorry you're feeling frustrated. Maybe we can play a different game. I know. I've got one called Making Smiles.
Making smiles? What's that?
It's a game where I find a friend with an unhappy face. Someone who I can tell is sad, or scared, or frustrated, and help them feel better. It goes kinda like this. I find a friend who has a frown and looks like he's feeling down. And if I help him out for a while, maybe we can replace his unhappy face with a smile.
That game makes me happy.
Yay!
I want to help someone else who's not feeling happy. Mimi's all alone. She has a frown. She looks like she's feeling down. But if we play with her for a while, maybe we can replace her unhappy face with a smile. Making smiles is fun to do.
Now I want to make someone happy too.
Yeah.
There's a rainbow over there and he looks scared to slide all by himself. But if we do it together, then maybe we can replace that frightened face with a wee.
Making smiles.
Making smiles.
Making smiles.
I want to make smiles too.
La la